Good morning, student. Today we are going to see 8th standard social science history unit 1 advent of the Europeans. What is the meaning of history? History means the past events. That is called a history. What are the past events? We can study the past events. That is called a history. What are the learning objectives? To know we study about the past event is called a history. Advent of the European lesson topic name is Advent of the Europeans. And then learning objectives to know the kinds of source of modern India. To know the source of modern India. To understand the Portuguese trade interest in India. To understand the impact of Portuguese and Dutch. To know the colonial settlement of Denmark. To know the arrival and settlement of English and French East India. Now we can see the introduction. Who is Portuguese? Portuguese means south-western European population with the origin predominantly from a southern and western Europe people is called a Portuguese. Who is Portuguese? Portuguese means southern western European population with the origin predominantly from southern and western Europe people called a Portuguese. Who is Dutch? Germany ethnic group and nation native to Netherlands. Who is Dutch? Germany ethnic group and nation native to Netherlands. Who is Danish? North Germany ethnic group native to Denmark. North Germany ethnic group native to Denmark. Danish peoples are Denmark, and then Dutch Netherlands, Portuguese Western Europe. And then foreign traders, travelers, missionaries, civil servants who came to India in the 18th and 19th century. To know the events of modern period, we have abundant source of international, national and regional. Foreign trade and travelers are come to India for the trade. Southern and then sources of modern India. The sources for the history of the modern India help us to know the political, socio-economic and cultural development in the country. The sources for the history of modern India help us to know the socio-economic, political and cultural development in the country. From the very beginning of the Portuguese, the Dutch, the French, the Danish and the English recorded the official transactions in India on a state papers. They are come to India for the trade. And then they are the official transaction between the India. Well preserved records are very valuable to know about their relations in India. Portuguese people, Danish people, Dutch people, French, these peoples are come to India for a trade, and they are a transaction, trade official record transaction in India. The achievers at Goa, Pondicherry and Madras were a literary store. The relationship between the achievers of Goa, Pondicherry and Madras were literary source. Houses of the precious historical information. All these sources must however be critically evaluated before they are used for a historical writing. These things are given in the hands of the historical writings. Kinds of sources. We can write history with the help of sources like written sources and material sources. First we see the written sources. Next we see the written sources. Ananda Rangam. After the advent of the printing press, numerous books were published in different languages. The advent of the printing presses opened, and then they published the different types of languages of books. People easily acquire the knowledge about art, literature, history and science. People easily acquire the knowledge. People getting the knowledge about the art, literature, history and science. Europeans came to know about the immense wealth of the India. European people came to India for the wealth of the nations. From the accounts of Marco Polo and similar sources, the wealth of India was attracted by Europeans to this country. The wealth of India is attracted by a European to this country. This picture shows Ananda Rangam house. Is a name to conjure with it in the annual of the history. He was a translator in a Pondicherry. and Pondicherry to assist French trade in India. He recorded the events that took place in French India. His diaries contain the daily events from 1763 to 1760, which are the only written secular record available during that period. His diaries reveals his propounded capacity for a political judgment and is a most valuable sources of the history. Written sources include literature, travel accounts, and then diaries, autobiographs, and pamphlets, government documents, and manuscript. Here maintain the written sources work of travel accounts, diaries, autobiograph, pamphlets, government documents, and manuscript. Here we see the written sources. Here the Anand Rangam, he written some sources about the Indian wealth. India is a very wealth that is attracted by the European countries and another countries. They are come to the trade with the India, and then they are the Pondicherry assist French trade. He recorded the events that took place in the French India. His diaries contain about the 1763 to 1760 only the written secular record available during that period. His diaries reveals his profound capacity for a political judgment. He is the most valuable sources of history. Written sources include the travel accounts, diaries, autobiographs, pamphlets, government documents, and manuscript. Okay, student. Today we see the learning objectives, and then know the Portuguese people, Dutch and Chinese and the French people. And then source of modern India. We know the source of modern India. In modern India, what we see, political and historical development, economic and cultural development, Portuguese people, Dutch and French and Chinese, and then the achievers of the Goa and Pondicherry, and then precious historical information we can see. Now and then we see the kinds of sources. What are the kinds of sources? Written sources and material sources. And then we see the written sources. Written sources, who written? Ananda Rangam. He written the historical events. What are the written works? He included the travel accounts, diaries, autobiograph, pamphlets, and government documents and manuscript. And then another India is a wealth nation, so they attracted by the European people for the purpose of trade. Remaining part of the archives we can see tomorrow. Thank you, student.